Madi and Savannah again to make a surprise Mars.
Surprise Mars?
Yeah. Don't touch it. Put there.
How do you do it?
First, you add water. And stir it up. Stir it up. Do it together, Anna. Anna, get yours, man. Get it. Here you go. That's too much. Wait, what? Oh my gosh. What is that? What are you doing, Mommy?
It's fizzing.
I think we add too much water. Oh, Vanna. I think you might do. Alright. Try to find your surprise. It's icky. And it's wet.
Why don't you use your sticks to dig it out?
Mine gets harder. Oh, sorry, Vanna. Let's move it upside down. And then you chop it up. Oh, Vanna, you're gonna wet my pants and my shirt. You're gonna wet my tie-dye shirt. Huh? What's this? Oh, sorry. I think we gotta wait, Vanna. Can we add a little bit of water until it's empty?
If you want to. Nope, you already did.
I think we don't need our sticks anymore. I think we should feel it.
You think you should fill it?
Yeah.
What's it feel like?
Chocolate sauce.
Chocolate sauce?
Hi, Mommy. Wait. Oh, I can see it. I can see your surprise. Let's take it out of the water now. Vanna, open our surprise. Now let's open our surprise. What is it in our Mars? I hope what's in our Mars. Is it gonna be? What is it? Vanna, what is it? Oh, ah! What did you do? I got the bill.
Yeah, you can dump it out. What was in it?
Oh, it's a cute little alien. Mars is the fourth planet. It lives in space.
It lives in space?
Yeah. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching with us. With Vanna and me, Maddie.